What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day, and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome aboard. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, like the video, comment on a few of the videos, and have a great time with this excellent community of Tundra owners and Tundra enthusiasts. Also, if you're new, make sure you check out the playlist section of the channel. I put everything into categories to make it easier on you to navigate through the 1,300 plus videos. Okay, so today we are going to talk about something a little bit different. I feel like it's a very important video. I love the videos that I make when you guys send me information on what's going on in the world with you and your Tundra, because we're all a little bit different in how we use it. Today we are going to look at Brian and his 2016 Tundra in a little bit different of a way. He got in a head-on collision. He was going 60 miles an hour. The vehicle coming at him was going 50. So today I'm going to read the email he wrote me and show you a few pictures he sent me on how the truck held up. Because head-on collisions, sometimes, a lot of times, they don't really have a great outcome. But this is a story I think we need to listen to and share if we have anything that happened to us like this. IIHS safety report on the current generation Tundra hasn't been so good. That small overlap test, the Tundra seems to fail. And a lot of people comment every day. You know, we always talk about fuel mileage being a big concern, payload, things like that. But one of the things people talk about with me a lot, one of the reasons they're being pushed away from the Tundra is that poor safety rating that the Tundra received recently in the last couple of years. So this is why videos like this are very important, just to see how the truck is handling the real world with real accidents. So I gotta make it. So I'm gonna read his story and then we'll look at some of the pictures and talk about it a little bit. Obviously, comment below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I'd love to hear what you guys think. And once again, if you were in a situation similar to this and your Tundra held up either fantastic or terrible, this is the place to talk about it, to let other owners know what you went through. But let's take a look at what Brian has to say and some of the shots of his Tundra before and after. Hello, Tundra Dude. My name is Brian Smith and I live in Luthersville, Georgia, a small town about 40 miles southwest of Atlanta. I have watched several of your YouTube videos over the past couple of years and just recently subscribed to your channel. First, I just wanted to thank you for what you do. I have learned a lot of things about our Tundras from your channel. I bought my first Tundra in 2014. It was a black TRD off-road SR5. In 2016, I traded for a silver 2016 SR5 XSPX. I have attached photos of both of these trucks. My plan was to keep the 2016 as a work truck and buy the next gen in 2022. Unfortunately, this will not be able to happen. On August 20th, 2020, I was headed to work. I was on a 2-lane highway where a passing lane opened up. A Jeep Wrangler was in front of me as we were going around a truck and trailer. The Jeep suddenly swerved right, and all I saw were headlights coming at me in my lane. There was no time to react. We collided head on. I was going 60 miles per hour, and the other driver coming at me was going 50 miles per hour. My truck was totaled. There are pictures attached. That is why I'm writing you today. I truly believe if I was driving a smaller truck, car, or even another manufacturer's half-ton pickup, that I probably wouldn't be here today. I suffered 2 broken bones in my left hand, 2 fractured ribs, 4 dislocated ribs from my sternum, and a fractured tailbone. The driver who hit me was not as lucky. She suffered 2 broken legs, 2 broken arms, and several other injuries. You're more than welcome to share this with other viewers if you would like. If anyone out there is unsure of the safety of a Tundra, this could possibly change their mind and possibly save their life. By the way, I ordered a 2021 Tundra TRD Pro in Super White. It should be here in a couple of weeks. Thank you, Brian Smith. All right, so here are a couple pictures of some of the after accident pictures of his truck. And just looking at the way the front held up, it looks like the hood didn't really buckle too much. It didn't get really into the cab much at all, as far as, an exterior shot. It really looks like it soaked up the impact quite well, especially for a head-on, with him going 60 and the other person going 50. Yeah, it looks pretty good. When we look at the interior of the truck, all the airbags deployed. We have the side curtain airbag, the standard airbag, the knee airbag, all of them came out. And of course he did suffer some injury, but he was able to walk away, as was the other person. But it really looks overall like the front end held up quite well. Looks like there's no cracks in the windshield, at least from this view. All right, I would love to hear what you guys think about Brian's story, and an accident like that is one I hope none of us ever have to deal with. You know, that could have went a way worse direction. And it really looks like the Tundra held up well for a head-on collision. You know, the A pillar, B pillar, nothing seemed to be too out of whack there. All the airbags look like they deployed. Mind you, this is before Toyota Safety Sense, which Toyota Safety Sense, I don't know if it would have made much of a difference in a head-on collision, because even though your truck may stop, it's not going to swerve out of the way of what's coming at you. But overall, the front end really did hold up pretty well. The hood looked intact. So, you know, this is good for us Tundra owners. And seeing the truck hold up this well in an accident like that. My one question to Brian that he did not add into this is, what was the vehicle the other driver was driving? That will make a big deal here. You know, was it a small little compact car? Was it a mid-sized truck? It didn't look like from the impact that it was another half-ton or anything like that. It looked like it was something a little bit smaller, maybe a family sedan. So Brian, if you could answer that for us, it would be great. But I'm glad you got out of it okay, and I'm glad, I mean, the Tundra was totaled, but I'm glad it held up and was able to keep you safe on your ride to work. I actually have been in a situation very close to that with a passing lane once. One of the things that I always do with passing lanes is when they open up, if the person around me goes in, you know, around a slower vehicle or whatever, I always wait for that person to finish the pass, and I never follow anybody through it, because you never know what's going to happen. I did see a dump truck once almost hit the car in front of me with that same kind of story. This probably happens all over the country every day. But it's really good to see Brian made it out okay. And the other driver, although very injured, did survive and made it out okay on that too. But I really want to hear what you guys think about this impact, about how the Tundra held up. If you're somebody from IIHS and you happen to be watching this, or other highway safety organizations out there, and you want to talk about the impact that this truck took and what you think about you know, the aftermath of it and how well it did or how bad it did, go ahead, comment below. That's what we're all here for. But I thank you guys for watching. And, you know, if you have any questions, comment below. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. As always, I like to put up a couple playlists at the end of this video. So today we're going to put up the playlist for the 2021 Tundras. And I'm going to do a different one today. I usually do the 2022 Tundra, so if you want to see that playlist, just go into the playlist section and check it out. But I'm going to do parts reviews. We haven't done parts reviews in a while. Every single part I've ever gotten for any Tundra I've ever had on this channel, I always do an unboxing and review of, so go check those out if you're looking for some parts for your Tundras. I mean, we're talking sway bars, grab handles, all that stuff out there. So go check it out. And if you're new to the channel, sparksparts.com has all your Toyota needs, TRD, regular parts. If something breaks off your vehicle and you need an OEM part for it, Sparks Parts has it. Use promo code TundraDude34 to save 5%. And if you like all this Toyota gear that I wear all the time, all the apparel, this stuff, I have a lot of it. Hats, shirts, banners, everything. Go to Toyota Outfitters website. Check it out. If you use the promo code, all capitals, one word, TundraDude, it'll save you 25% site-wide. So go check it out. Save some money. And obviously under the video, you see all my Teespring stuff, all the TundraDude34, you know, shirts, hoodies, all that stuff. So go check that out if you're interested in that. But I thank you for being here once again, Brian. Congratulations in surviving that, along with the other driver in the situation with you. I'm glad everybody made it out okay, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and take care.